A few years ago, we at Audi Design thought about how could the future portfolio of Audi look like. And we came up with the idea that we have additional specific designed concepts for specific use cases, in addition to our traditional portfolio. Our future customer is getting access to a fleet of different cars because of Audi On Demand. A few years ago, we presented the Audi Icon. The Audi Icon has been designed for the specific use case long-distance traveling. The Audi Icon is the perfect vehicle to drive, for example, from Munich to Hamburg. A few months later, we presented the opposite of the Audi Icon, the Audi I-Race, a car which has been designed for the very specific use case to have fun to drive, maybe on curvy roads or on a racetrack. As well, a few months later, we presented the Audi i.ME, our third use case. The Audi i.ME has been designed for the very specific use case urban mobility, for example, for megacities like Shanghai. The Audi i.ME is almost a third living space alongside home and work. And today we are presenting the Audi i-Trail. This is the fourth and the last member of our use case family. The Audi i-Trail is designed for the very specific use case off-road driving. And that's why we came up with the idea to create an almost 360 view surrounding. These cars are specific designed for very specific use cases. That means our future customer is getting access to a car for his personal needs. Our design philosophy is to combine innovative technology with progressive design.